Hello again, guys. This is my next project. I got these old chairs, armchairs, and they have the mesh in the back, and they had these old wheels on the foot of them, on their legs. And what I did is I took them off because I think people don't need these rolling around. So I'm gonna make it sit flat, and it brought a cushion with it. So the cushion is in good condition. So cushions are this color and it's in good condition. So all I'm gonna do is clean it up and put it back on there. So for now, I'm gonna paint these to look more to be reused again. So I'm recycling this old furniture and just revive them back to life so people can use them. So, and they're very comfortable, and again, I'm just gonna clean the cushions, and it's an easy fix, and then show you later how it will look. So guys, I went with this light color so it will contrast the burgundy cushions, or that color that I just showed you. But this is the color I'm gonna go with on the frame of the chairs. So I'll show you how it looks like when it's finished. This is the first frame that I'm finished, and I have one more to do. So this is the way it looks right now. It's getting dry. Then I have to do some touch-ups and put the second coat if needed. But that's it. And I think it looks good with the with this part, that's the mesh look of the background of the chair. But it looks nice, and I'll show you once I put it together again. This is the end of my do-it-yourself chairs. They're armchairs, and they're very old, but they're still strong and sturdy, and they're solid wood. As you know, I like to paint solid wood instead of manufactured furniture. The wood is much better and stronger, and so this is the end of it, and the chairs came out really nice. Thanks again, and I hope to see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click the like button.